Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change chat wallpaper on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings. Now click chat settings and here you will find it. Change chat wallpaper. Here click on it and choose any wallpaper, or you can also select from your gallery, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.